Welcome to Applied Virtual Solutions, where we're all about making remote work easier, more efficient, and enjoyable. Whether you're new to working from home or have been doing it for a while, we're here to help you maximize your productivity, stay motivated, and create a balanced work-life routine. If you're ready to make working from home work for you, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of remote professionals.
Discover the secret apps that can help you make millions. In this video, we're spilling the beans on the top apps that can transform your financial life. From passive income generators to lucrative side hustles, we're covering it all. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, these apps can help you achieve financial freedom. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and learn how to make millions with these secret apps. Join me as I dive into the challenge of making millions using these secret apps and turning your phone into a money-making machine. Today I want to talk about something that I think has the potential to change the way we think about making money online. With the rise of smartphones, we've got an incredible opportunity to tap into a new world of apps that can help us generate significant income. But the problem is, most people don't know where to look, or they're stuck in the mindset that making money online is only for tech-savvy entrepreneurs or people with a huge online presence. That's simply not true. I think we've all been there. We're scrolling through social media, seeing people flaunting their luxury lifestyles, and wondering how they're making it happen. We've tried our hand at online surveys, watched endless YouTube tutorials on affiliate marketing, and even dabbled in creating our own online courses. But the truth is, it's tough to find legitimate ways to make money online that actually work for us. There's so much misinformation out there. It's like finding a needle in a haystack. We've got people pushing get-rich-quick schemes, fake gurus promising us the world, and a sea of mediocre apps that promise the moon but deliver nothing. It's no wonder people get discouraged and give up on the idea of making money online. But what if I told you there are apps out there that can actually help you make millions? App number one is called User Testing. It's a platform that pays users for testing and reviewing websites and apps. It's simple, yet incredibly effective. You get paid $10 for every 20-minute review you complete, and it adds up quickly. I've got a friend who's making over $1,000 a month just from using this app. App number two is called Ibotta. It's a cashback app that rewards users for shopping at their favorite retailers. From groceries to electronics, Ibotta's got you covered. I know someone who's made over $5,000 just from using this app in the last year. It's crazy. App number three is called Survey Junkie. As the name suggests, it's a survey site that rewards users for sharing their opinions. But what sets it apart is its user-friendly interface and the fact that you can redeem your points for cash or e-gift cards. I've been using it for a few months now, and I've already racked up over $500. But the app that really blew my mind was called Flip. It's an app that allows you to make money by buying and selling stuff locally. Think of it like a hybrid between Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace, but with a twist. You can make up to $1,000 a month just by flipping items in your local area. I met someone who made over $20,000 in just 6 months using this app. What really gets me excited about Flip is its potential for scalability. With the right strategy, you can literally turn it into a six-figure business. And the best part, you don't need any special skills or experience. Anyone can do it. So to recap, we've got User Testing, Ibotta, Survey Junkie, and Flip, 4 apps that have the potential to make you millions. The key is to understand how they work, what sets them apart, and how you can leverage them to generate significant income. Take action on what you've learned today and start making money with these secret apps. Don't let misinformation hold you back any longer. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you had any experiences with making money using apps? Share your stories, and let's get the conversation started. Don't forget to tune in to my next video for more tips and strategies on making money online. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified. See you in the next one.